The Foundation for Economic Democracy works towards a society that promotes the expansion of an economy that is rooted in the dignity and well-being of working people, especially the marginalized ones, and improving their quality of life through cooperative economic gain.
Professor Carlos, why did you start this organization?
Right out of college, I was working for the district attorney's office in Santa Barbara, and I was working with, I hate using this term, at-risk youth, but my job was to help truant kids stay off of probation. Needed was for their parents to not have to work 2 to 3 jobs, for their parents to have the economic resources to send their kids to tutoring, to after-school programs, those sorts of things. The goal of the foundation is, the mission is to help establish democratically governed community projects and establish democratically owned and controlled businesses. Businesses where the workers own their business, they get to decide what the wages are, they never have to fight with their employers about, getting a raise. It's sort of all done democratic.
How will your foundation help create this change?
We need to educate people on what the concept of economic democracy is. Establish essentially a local culture where people know that they should support these businesses that are owned by workers. That's the first goal. The second goal is to have the technical assistance and essentially the staffing to be able to develop these programs and to teach people the skills that you need to establish these kinds of things.
What are some goals and outcomes you hope to accomplish?
So one of our first projects is to have to establish a worker-owned and worker-run daycare center, a preschool. And so the goal there is for these workers to essentially have a space where they can give each other dignity. They don't have to worry about an overbearing boss. There's sort of the space is different, but it's also for them to improve their wages and their living conditions. A long-term goal is for us to establish a culture of saying that this is the kind of economy we want to move to. We want to move to an economy that works for people and for all people, not just people who own these businesses.
What can we do to help? First off, you can start by liking their page on Facebook, www.facebook.com/Foundation of Economic Democracy. On their Facebook page, you will find upcoming fundraisers, ways to volunteer, and simply another way to learn more about them. On April 20th, a local restaurant, Cañadas Grill, will be hosting a fundraiser in which 20% of the proceeds will be going to a community garden here in Long Beach. The Foundation of Economic Democracy also accepts donations if you'd like, but simply just spread the word. Tell your friends and family all about it and let them know there's something out there wanting to help people. Thank you.